We're going to continue with 6.EE.7, and this time on our equations we're going to look at multiplication and division and solving with those inverse operations. So here in this example we have 4x equals 16. 4x means that 4 is being multiplied with that x. So the inverse operation of multiplication is division. So I need to divide both sides of my equation by 4. So when I divide 4 divided by 4, I get 1, which is just my single x left. So the x is now isolated. I can bring it down, bring down my equal sign. And then 16 divided by 4 is 4. Again, I can check my work like we did in the last section. 4 multiplied by 4 does equal 16, and the work checks. All right, the next one, t divided by 2. T over 2 equals 5. Well, the inverse operation of division is multiplication. So I'm going to multiply 2 on both sides of my equation. So these 2's now cancel out. I have my t isolated. I'm going to bring the variable down now. T equals, and then 5 times 2 is 10. Again, let's check our work. Place 10 for t, and then 10 divided by 2 is 5, and it checks out. All right, let's look at another multiplication example. 7y, 7 multiplied by y equals 21. So I need to do the inverse operation of multiplication, which is division. So I'm going to divide both sides by 7. 7's cancel out, carry down my y, bring down my equal sign. 21 divided by 7 is 3. Let's check our work. 7 multiplied by 3 equals 21. Sorry, that 2 wrote funny. So it checks. All right, last example here. M divided by 8 equals 64. Inverse operation of division is multiplication. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 8. These 8's are going to cancel out. Carry down my M. 64 multiplied by 8 equals 512. Check your work. Carry back your M in place of this M. 512 divided by 8 equals 64, and it checks. So now you've seen examples looking at addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, all 4 operations with equations solving one step.